What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing my results from selling online courses in 2019. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So let's get straight into this and make it a no fluff video. So I host my courses over on Gumroad. This is my back office, and as you can see, selling courses last year in 2019 I made $49,000. Now this is revenue, this is not all profit. And as you can see, I've had pretty consistent sales since launching a course. I now have 3 different online courses. One of them's Printing Profits, so that takes you from not knowing nothing to having your first book published and everything in between. Then I have my second, which is the LCB Vault, and in there I add trainings on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties within low content book publishing. And then we have Kids LCB, where I teach you how I've been creating my kids low content books. So I have 3. I started off with 1. This is the revenue, $49,000, and yes, this is for 2019. So let's just do that again. Let's click on there for last year. Let that load up for a second. Now, even though that's revenue, I do get to keep most of that money. Now, I do have to pay Gumroad fees, which honestly is hardly anything. That's still loading. There we go. So last year, yeah. So Gumroad fees I have to pay, and then I also have a few affiliates as well. So if we go over to affiliates just here, open that in a new tab, that's how much I've paid out. This affiliate over 4,000, this one 0, 300, 200 and $350. I've also set up a few new affiliates for over the last couple of weeks. Now if you have affiliate history or experience and you want to promote my products, then you can always message me via email or through Facebook and I'll go ahead and set you up. But as you can see, affiliates probably, let's say that's $5,000. So let's go back to here. So 49,000, take away 5,000, left with 3,000, and let's just say 2,000 of that went to Gumroad fees. So $41,000 is an estimate of how much I get to keep. I say estimate because it really is an estimate. It's definitely over 4,000, but as you saw, I got to pay the affiliates. That happens automatically, and then Gumroad fees. So it's over $40,000 that I made through selling online courses. Now, why am I showing you this? Well, for one, I want to show you what is actually possible through selling courses, and because I like to be as transparent as I possibly can. See, you get all these people on YouTube. I'm not going to name any names or anything like that, but the majority of people show you their income for what they're teaching or something like that, but they never actually share with you how much they made through selling their course. So that's another reason why I wanted to show you, because this is a really great income stream for me. Now with my courses as well, I do have less than a 1% refund rate, which proves that I do have some great products. And if we actually go over to my profile on Gumroad, now this is one thing that I do like, and that is people can leave reviews on all of your products. So if we actually scroll down, we can see that most of my courses have almost 5-star reviews, as you can see. So that's what I like about Gumroad, because you can't fake that. Gumroad puts that there, and then your students actually leave the stars. So you can't fake that at all. If you want to check that out, you can click one of the links down in the description below to go over to my Gumroad. So if you try and sell a crappy course through Gumroad and you start getting 1-star reviews, then no one else is going to buy your product, because all this is social proof. So people who want to buy my courses, they see how many stars I've got on each product. In fact, let's do the LCB Vault. They see how many stars I have, and then it's a snowball effect. One person leaves 4 stars, the next person leaves 5. Other people see that and they know that it's going to be a great course. So if we click on here, anybody can do this on all of my courses. We can see the majority, 94%, are actually 5-star reviews. So that's something that I'm really proud of. Now, when it actually comes to recording your videos, you can do that completely for free. Well, your videos for your courses. Mine, I do pay for my screen recorder, but it's hardly anything. So this is what I use. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. I'm actually using this now, recording this video, and I've been using this ever since I started YouTube. One of the reasons why is because I really like it, and once you've recorded your video, you can actually edit it within the software. Now, if we scroll down, we can see, can we change this to monthly? No, we can't. But we can see, billed yearly, it only turns out to be $1.65 a month, or $4. So it's really, really reasonable, and this is what I use to record all of my course videos. So that's Screencast-O-Matic. Now, how did I send the traffic to actually make this money, make these sales? Well, there's a few different ways that I do it. One of them being my Facebook group, my main Facebook group. And if we scroll up here, we now have 1,690 monthly members. In fact, let's click on that and open that up and have a look at that in a second. But having a Facebook group, you can always find the link to this in my description down below if you want to come and join. Really great community, and that is the key to actually building a Facebook group. You want to build a community where everybody can talk about the certain subject, whatever your Facebook group is about, and you want to help people out. And in the process, you can recommend affiliate products or your own products as well. Now, right now within the Inner Circle, the Facebook group, we are going to be having a contest every single month at the end of the month where you can win all of our courses, as you can see from this pinned post just here. So if you want a chance to actually come and win one of our courses or all of them, then come and join the Inner Circle. There is a link down below. Now, if we go back over to here, no, that is the wrong one. I want to go to, where is it? Group quality, moderate, group insights. Let's go here. Let that load up. So as we can see right here, the growth of my Facebook group is pretty good. Total members is up 24% over the last 30 days, and we're almost at 1,700 members. So this is just consistent effort of always having the link to this within within all of my videos. So that's one traffic source on how I send traffic to my courses. Another one being obviously my YouTube channel. So I paused the video just then because it was taking forever to load up. But obviously YouTube is the main way that I send traffic to my courses. Now if we scroll down to here, within every video I always have my courses just here, and the inner circle where we was just a minute ago, just there as well. And then I like to, I like to have it as the first comment just here, which I pin as well. So if we actually show more, we can see our courses goes to our courses in a circle. So that's how I send traffic to my courses and my Facebook group. And then I also have a link just here for my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Now, I don't actually promote this that much anymore. I might change that because that is what builds my email list. Now, even though I don't recommend that much very often, it's still there within the description, I still get a lot of people signing up, and that goes to this page. So after this page, you're going to be put on my email list, and then when you're on my email list, I can provide value and also recommend affiliate products and my own courses. See, with my email list now, we currently have 1,652 people. So that's just more people that I can reach. So with YouTube, I like to use YouTube as my main traffic source and then divert the traffic to build my Facebook group and also my email list. And I can also sell affiliate products just here within the description as well. So what I just shared with you isn't even really that hard to do. It's just that most people on YouTube selling courses don't explain or don't show you what I just shared with you. They, for some reason, like to keep it all a secret, and they don't like to share with you their numbers from selling online courses. But like I said, I like to be as transparent as I possibly can, and that's why I wanted to make this video, so that you can see how much I made in 2019 from selling online courses and how I did it. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.